How to get verified on Instagram. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram. Now, everyone can be verified on Instagram with Meta Verified. Essentially, Meta, the company that owns Facebook and Instagram, has introduced this option. Meta Verified allows you to verify your Instagram account and obtain the check mark. Let me show you exactly how it works. The best way to do this is by using the Instagram app on your phone. So, on your iPhone or Android, launch the app, go to your profile page, and on this page, tap on three lines as long as you have this option available, and I'll explain why you may not have it in the moment. You'll see the option called Meta Verified. Tap here, and essentially, you'll receive a verified badge. You'll also get extra account security, direct support, and more stickers, but this is a subscription. A couple of things to be noted is that this is not available on business accounts and you have to be 18 or older. These are the two main reasons why you might not get it. However, if you do see this page, you should be able to tap subscribe or simply join the waiting list. It will take you to the page for Facebook and Instagram, all bundled into a Meta Verified subscription. You can proceed with the payment here and you'll be billed monthly. As long as you are paying for it, you'll have the check mark. If you stop paying, the check mark will disappear. Once you pay for it, there is a confirmation page that states your first and last name, which must match your ID. In this case, I have to change it to match my government ID. If it does not match, you can't get verified. Your profile photo should also be full face looking forward, and you must have two-factor authentication set up. This process takes up to 3 days. If you don't do this or if you don't get verified because your name does not match, they'll refund your monthly payment. Let me know in the comments what you think of this update. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.